Blue is a recycled denim project. We take old wasted jeans that no longer have any value or can be reused and take the fibers that are then bonded and embroidered into a new textile material. And we have been working with this material here in Alcoy together with our partners iTex and Care Applications, working with different treatments to make new colors and expressions of the material. The material in its starting point is based on primarily denim, cotton, so up to 100%, but we do have different fibers in that has made the treatment process a bit more exciting. So we have been working with sustainable technologies, with indigo dye, where we have been using a nitrogen process. We have been making wear effects, where we've been using micronebulisation, so all the chemicals are completely obtained in the material and there's way less water usage as well. And we have also been doing a natural dye on our base material.